Hey guys, welcome back to Bee's Kitchen. Thank you for joining me. Today I am going to show you how to make corned beef stew. I love this stew because it's delicious, it's very quick to make, and it pairs well with different type of side dishes. If you've never made this stew before, you are certainly in for a treat. So stay with me and let's get started. To begin with, I'm going to add Scotch Bonnets, garlic, ginger and shallots to a blender. If you don't have shallots, you can certainly use red onions or white onions and it's fine. Go ahead and add a little bit of water and then blend your ingredients till smooth. In a pot or pan, add oil and allow the oil to come to heat. Once the oil is hot, go ahead and add your sliced onions and fry until the onions is nice and fragrant. Once the onions is fragrant, I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of curry powder. I will then mix everything together to allow the curry powder and the onions to infuse with one another. Try to do this step on low heat because you do not want your curry powder to burn. Otherwise, it will leave a bitter taste in your stew. Next, I'm going to add some tomato puree and then I'll mix everything together and then I'll continue to simmer this stew on low to medium heat for about 3 minutes. I'm now going to add the blended mixture, mix everything together and just allow the base of this stew to simmer for 5 minutes. And 5 minutes later, this is what the stew is looking like so far. So now I'm going to add tin chopped tomato. You can also use fresh tomatoes if you have that at home. Just ensure that you have diced the fresh tomatoes into smaller pieces and then go ahead and add it to your stew. Next, I'm just mixing everything together, followed by adding my seasonings. As always, please feel free to add your preferred seasonings of choice when you are making the stew. Once I've added all my seasonings, I'm just going to go ahead and mix everything together and just allow my stew to simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. While the stew is simmering, this is my corned beef and I'm using Exeter corned beef. I have taken the corned beef out of the tin and kept it in a bowl ready to add to my stew. So my stew has been simmering for about 10 to 15 minutes and as you can see, the oil has settled at the top. So this indicates that the stew is coming along really well. So I'm now going to go ahead and add the corned beef and then gently I'm just going to mix everything together well. I'm now going to cover and just allow the corned beef stew to simmer for 5 minutes. And guys, the corned beef stew is ready. It smells incredible. One thing I love about corned beef stew is it doesn't take too long to make and it tastes really good, especially when you pair it with your favorite side dish. I am going to pair mine with some plain boiled rice. I've also boiled some eggs and added it to this corned beef stew. However, when it comes to this stew, you can certainly enjoy it with rice if you prefer, spaghetti, kenkey, yam, plantain. You know, the side dishes are entirely up to you. As always, thank you so much for joining. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, kindly please click on that subscribe button. Don't forget to like, share this video with your friends and family, and of course, enjoy your delicious corned beef stew. And I'll see you next time. Bye.